Well, hi, I'm Rod Stephens. I'm an instructor at Central Piedmont Community College, and I teach non-destructive examination technology. Non-destructive examination uses various test methods to test the integrity of components or finished parts without damaging the component or part. It's a rewarding career because you are actively helping save lives. You use your mind, you use your hands. It's endlessly fascinating, and it pays well. Job prospects for students who graduate from Central Piedmont with an associate in applied science and non-destructive examination technology are excellent. We currently boast in excess of a 90% job placement rate amongst graduates. Typically, they will have multiple job offers and they choose which one best fits their life situation. Today we saw an application of eddy current testing, which is a way of using electromagnetism to test for discontinuities in the part structure. But once Central Piedmont administrators got clear guidance from the governor's office on down, we were able to put policies in place that facilitated face-to-face learning in a safe manner. First and foremost, we have 100% mask protocol. Students must remain masked 100% of the time while they're inside the building. Everyone does. Faculty, staff, everyone has to be masked. We also maintain social distancing. The students' workstations are spaced out minimum 6 feet apart, which has caused us to have to put capacity limits in certain classrooms. That's not been the easiest thing to deal with, but as long as they are able to come in at certain times and put their hands on the test objects, hands on the testing technology, and do it in person, we can adapt to the rest. We'll make it work. Well, the positive thing that I've seen is how adaptable the students have been to this changing situation. And another thing is that they are very appreciative of the time they do get to spend on campus. The non-destructive examination technology program at Central Piedmont has been a life changer for myself and a number of my students. I am a graduate of this program, and I am shocked at the return on investment. I had to pay out of pocket, and I broke even in my first 2 months on my first job with zero experience. The education I received at Central Piedmont has completely changed the trajectory of my life. I believe that to the core of my being. I live the proof every day.